There are over 1.7 billion active users across Facebook and Instagram. To put it in perspective, that's almost a quarter of the entire population on Earth. And 130 million people with Instagram accounts tap on a shopping post every month.
Really, that's a lot of people. So as a small business owner, you want your products to be found, right? And more importantly, you want your products found by as many of the right people as possible. So make it easy for shoppers to discover you wherever they are. Instagram Shops, which offers a mobile-first shopping experience that makes it easy to buy and sell online, drives sales through a platform that your customers, they already know it. And Facebook and Instagram Shops will help you reach more customers by setting up a single online store that customers can access from Facebook and Instagram.
As we do, let's talk about why. Why sell your products socially? Well, at some moment in time, a person clicked follow on your Facebook or Instagram page. Something piqued their interest. Your followers may range from passing curious to faithful fans, but what you post shows up in their feed. Every time you post, you're building a relationship with your followers. And the beauty of social media is the ability to have conversations with your followers and for them to share your posts with their friends.
Best part of it all? Instagram Shops, which offers a mobile-first shopping experience that makes it easy to buy and sell online. Checkout is quick. It's an easy way for people to make a purchase from your business on Instagram, and their payment credentials are securely saved by Instagram for future purchases, which just makes it easier for them to shop again, and it reduces friction in the path to purchase.
Checkout businesses receive access to other features to connect with shoppers, like shopping from creators, where creators can tag your products in their posts, product launches, where businesses can announce an upcoming launch on Instagram, and live shopping. When you're shopping on Facebook or Instagram, how cool is it to see a product you like, touch on that product, and add it to your shopping cart in that moment?
It is pretty cool. And by leveraging the full ecosystem of Instagram shopping tools, businesses can create concepts that build brand awareness and drive transactions all in one place. And then once approved, you can use a product tag, like whenever you post a photo of your product on Instagram, and simply just select a photo or video. That's cool. And go through the usual upload process of adding a caption, effects, and filters, and then tap the products in the photo that you want to tag and start entering the names of the products. So you can then select them as they appear in the search box. Tap done and share, and you're good to go.
Sounds super easy. And if you want to tag a product in a video, the process is pretty much the same. However, a tray will appear where you can select up to 5 products you want to tag, which the more products, the better, right? But select the products and then proceed with sharing your video as usual on Instagram.
So you might be wondering how to connect your online store to Facebook and Instagram. Shops help people explore products and collections of products without leaving Facebook and Instagram. So think of it as showcasing your entire online store on Facebook and Instagram rather than highlighting just a specific product or tool in a post.
To sell on Facebook, you'll need a Facebook business page. And if you don't have one now, don't worry, it's easy to create one later right after this video. And to sell on Instagram, you'll need a professional business or creator account and have it connected to your Facebook page. And if you don't have it, you can still come back and link it to your Instagram later.
And a quick note, even if you've already connected your site to your Facebook and Instagram accounts for social posting, you will still need to follow these steps to connect to the catalog that powers Facebook and Instagram selling. And creating social posts and having a product catalog, those are two different things, even though they use the same accounts. So now we want to talk about how to create shoppable posts and how to tag your products on Facebook and Instagram. So in addition to creating a Facebook and Instagram shop, to showcase all of your lovely products, you can also tag individual products in shoppable Facebook posts and Instagram posts, as well as Instagram stories. Now let's talk about Facebook posts. So for Facebook, you'll need to have a Facebook shop first, and in your Facebook account, create a post. Type your message and choose the option to tag products and a photo when prompted. Click or tap the photo to bring up your catalog and then choose the product that you want to tag and then save and post.
And let's not forget Instagram posts and stories. For Instagram, you'll need to be approved for Instagram shopping first. So follow Instagram's checklist to get approved. We also recommend having a Facebook and Instagram shop, but it's not required.
And once approved, you can use a product tag whenever you post a photo of your product on Instagram. And when your customers click on your post, they will see the option to purchase the product. And when they select purchase, I know they will, they are taken to your online store product page so they can add it to their cart and check out.
Being consistent when it comes to Instagram sponsored posts is a great way to increase awareness and consumer shopping for your business. Being able to consistently come up with creative ideas whenever you need a new ad is also key.
And by understanding the creation process and sprinkling in a little creativity, you can see great results.
Hi friends! Today I'm going to be talking about 4 posts that will help you sell and grow on Instagram. Okay, the first one is really the most essential. It's a selling post. This is a post where you tell people exactly what you do and exactly where to find it. Because I feel like a lot of people can get into this rut of, oh, I need to make content. I'm going to talk about my favorite podcast. I'm going to talk about what inspires me. I'm going to talk about all this stuff. And then people forget what you actually do. You know, people will forget, they're like, oh, I sell pins, you know. So when you're feeling frustrated, you're not sure what to post, put up a post that sells your stuff. Talk about something that you make and make it very purposeful. Okay, the second kind of post is one that will build your brand. This is one that encourages engagement. So this is one that solicits those likes, those comments, those shares, things like that. And these are ones that let people get to know you and then you get to know them. So these are the ones where people, you know, that whole know, like, trust factor that it's really important in the business world, you know, so people know who you are and what you do from your selling posts. They know that you sell pins, and now they're at the like section. So they're getting to know you. They're getting to kind of see who you are behind the brand and get more invested in you, and then that makes them want to support you, because when they see someone who is like has a lot in common with them, then they want to support you. The third type of post you want to do is grow your reach. Obviously, that's what everybody wants. But I think one of the best ways to do that is to create shareable content and content that shows social proof. So in social proof, this is showing people who have purchased your stuff. It's almost like a FOMO sort of thing, you know. So when people share their stuff to their, or share your stuff to their stories, put that in your stories right away. Thank you, gifts, oh my god, awesome. Send a thank you directly to them, you know, and I've talked about that before. But you want to share that stuff because you're paying it forward to them, thanking them for purchasing from you, and that'll make them feel amazing that you gave them a shout out. And kind of in the same umbrella, I feel like, of sharing is also creating content with the purpose to share. So things like quotes that people can relate to, illustrations that people can relate to and then send to their stories really quickly, but also like the sort of Follow Friday-esque posts where you can take pictures of your pin with a bunch of other makers, and then that makes it easy for those makers to share it to their audience as well. So I want you to think strategically and purposefully about sharing when you're kind of going through your strategy and thinking about your posts. And the fourth type of post that is super important and really fun and probably the easiest way to just kind of get some content out there is keeping it current. So this is staying on top of like social holidays, retail holidays, little things that are going on that can keep you kind of in the conversation of pop culture in the moment. So I definitely suggest going on some websites and finding some silly holidays. Like I like to run a sale or special or call out on International Cat Day because I make a lot of cat pins. Same thing with the International Day of Pink. I like to have either a discount or I'll put like a free pink pin in with every order on that day, something like that. So definitely do that. And that's really easy because you can look at that at the beginning of the month and then mark off the, you know, silly holidays that you want to do, the things that are applicable to your business and your style and your illustrations and products and stuff like that. You know, National Coffee Day if you have mug pins, or, you know, there's like Sci-Fi Day if you have alien pins, you know, stuff like that. So it's easy content for you. It keeps it fun for your audience. And yeah, I just think it's really great. It's a good conversation starter, especially. All right, so those are the 4 types of posts that I think you should be using to help grow and sell more on Instagram.